What's up, T and Neek Mafia? You are now cooking with T and Neek. Y'all see Neek in the background?
Man, you know I'm getting it, baby.
Look at this fool.
Look at you looking at it. You just staring. You know you want to get down and boogie.
You okay? You saying boogie? Whatever.
Granddaddy.
Shut up.
Granddaddy special.
Shut up. You're talking through in the intro. You guys don't forget to subscribe and give us a big
thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna jump right into the video. So you want to make sure you get you some good chicken wings. I use Tyson chicken wings. I like them. They're good. They're delicious. Now we're gonna get some flour. Doesn't matter what type of flour you guys use. Just make sure it's flour.
But one powder.
Oh god. Now to the seasoning. I make
better.
Yeah. So you're gonna get you some onion powder. You're going to get you some oregano, garlic powder, salt, Tony Chachery spices and herbs.
Like you want to slap your mama.
Slap your mama seasoning, black pepper, and some basil. You can use whatever type of seasoning you want to use, y'all. This is what I use. Okay, now you're gonna get 2 big bowls. One for the, going too fast. One for the wet batter.
Maybe I should have cracked one of them damn eggs on your head. That shit would be funny.
No. Yeah. Now you add your seasonings to your eggs. Be quiet. Dang. Now this is optional, you guys. You don't have to make the wet batter, but this is how I make my chicken. Then you want to get your dry batter. Like Neek said, get your A1 powder.
Man.
Y'all.
2019, we cracking eggs on your girlfriend and wife's heads, nigga. Stay tuned. That might be a prank, y'all.
Boy, please. Yeah, you'll be starving for the rest of your days.
That tater salad, will it?
Don't try to play me like I don't know how to season my food. Anyways, you guys, now clean your chicken, clean your meat. You always want to wash your meat, you guys. Don't worry, my sink is clean. It is clean, okay? You clean it before and after you put whatever type of meat, whatever kind of meat you put in the sink. So we're gonna wash the chicken. Make sure the chicken nice and clean. You know, somebody like me could probably wash it with soap or something.
I would, but hold on. That is a very important step, but hold on. The second most important step is before seasoning or after or whatever. Cook the chicken thoroughly. Nothing need to be clucking still. Or moving or none of that.
So what is you trying to say?
I'm saying, baby, your stuff be well done, but I done see some chickens on IG. Bruh, it looked like the chicken was still alive. I don't know who you feeding, dogs, kids, I don't know. But that shit was still moving.
It was clucking.
That shit was saying, help. Help.
Bro, you make me sick, man. Get off me.
Bro. I cook, baby. You can't.
So you're going to get your grease. I use canola oil. I got this canola oil from Sam's Club. Canola oil, doesn't matter what brand, is good to use. Canola oil doesn't burn as fast as vegetable oil. So I use canola oil. Had to bring out the second bottle. Not the second bottle, but the second bottle.
Bottle.
Why you gotta be so disrespectful?
Because they know what the bottle is. Real bottle.
Bro, shut up. Stupid dog. Real bottle.
Keep it 100. Keep it 100.
Alright, now you want to come back to the sink and you want to put your chicken in a, I think it's strainer?
Strainer.
In a strainer so that you can season it.
Man, hold on. Never mind.
Don't be rude. Okay, I added too much. I like to kind of make sure that all of the chicken gets seasoned very well. I know y'all probably thinking, oh my god, that was a lot of salt. Actually, it wasn't. If you're a cook, you know that chicken
absorb that shit.
And like you ain't even put no salt on it. Don't nobody want no unseasoned ass chicken wings.
Lubies.
I've never had Lubies, so I wouldn't know.
I have. Golden Corral, y'all suck too. Y'all used to be good.
Well, they got a lot of new stuff on the menu. We should go and try them.
I ain't eating it if it ain't got no seasoning on it, bro.
You don't know if it got seasoning on it until you eat it.
Well, see, back earlier in the years it did, but then they changed it. Bland as hell.
So you want to keep adding your seasonings until you feel like it's enough and your ancestors tell you, stop, my child. Had to rinse my hands off because you don't want it to be so much build up under your nails with seasonings, y'all. I was supposed to get some gloves, but I forgot to get them. So that's what you have to do when seasoning your chicken. I had to constantly clean up under my nails because the build up was stupid dumb crazy.
That shit gonna be too salty.
That's alright. I've been cooking for how many years?
That shit gonna be real good.
That shit was delicious.
Too bad, y'all. It's all gone now. So
it was gone like what, the first night? Not even.
The next day, I ate the rest for lunch. But don't ask for none, y'all. But that shit be gone. I don't share food, you know.
He don't. Fat ass. I don't share my food, but I share my snacks. It's just backwards.
That's a lie.
I do share my snacks.
Y'all are missing a piece of a finger.
I am not lying. I share my snacks. I don't share my food. They just irritate my soul when we go out to eat. People be like, "Oh, give me some." Give you some. You had every moment, every time, every minute, every second to pick the same thing I picked. Now you want to eat it off my plate, man?
Yeah, I just want to try it, baby.
No, fam.
So I can know. You know, you gotta be the guinea pig.
Whatever. Anyways, you're gonna come to your grease. I like to test my grease with a wooden spoon. When the wooden spoon starts, look what happened. Anyways, when the wooden spoon starts frying a little bit, that's how you know it's ready. A lot of people throw water. I don't throw water because it sounds like it's a shootout in the kitchen, and I ain't got time for that. Oh, it's ready. I know y'all probably thinking, that's nasty, that's dangerous.
Throwing water is dangerous.
Thank you. Y'all, don't laugh at my pots and pans. Like, I've been having these pots and pans for 7 years. I'm finna get some new ones, so don't worry. Anyways, now you're gonna come back to the sink and you're going to add your chicken into the wet batter. I normally double dip my chicken, like from the wet batter to the dry batter back to the wet batter. No, was it dry batter to the wet batter, then back to the dry batter. But this time I just wanted to keep it real simple, and I just dipped it in the wet batter, then add it to the dry batter. Give it that extra
that crisp. It's real
crunchy coating.
Real.
Now I'm not gonna keep I'm not gonna keep coming back to the chicken. You want to do this until your chicken is done, like you're done dipping all of your chicken wings.
No half stepping.
No stepping, man.
Man, look here. I ain't no the greatest cook, but I know when it's done. Like I said, bro.
I was dancing.
Oh man,
Boy, please, I got more rhythm than you do.
I'm just trying to say, man, what you call it?
Alright, now you're gonna continue the same method until all your wings are fried.
You got a line of people outside for 99-cent Tuesdays.
For who?
Yeah, customers.
Boy, please. Ain't no way.
Man, what you mean, ain't no way?
Yeah, this chicken was so good. Y'all don't even understand. I'm looking at this video and my mouth watering right now. Right now. Oh, give this video a big thumbs up, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want more cooking with T and Neek, please comment in the comment section below. I will be making some chicken burritos, you guys. So if you want to see that, please let us know.
Man, burritos be hitting y'all.
Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our French fries, and we call these the Lazy Man fries. You could put them in the fryer, you could put them in the oven. I'd rather put them in the oven because we already got all the grease in the chicken, so we don't need extra greasy French fries. So, yeah. Oops, drop the French fries.
And we also got that meal plan on deck. You feel me? You trying to go from 160 to 230 like me? Hit us in the comment section if y'all want that meal plan. You talking about all the best meals, steak and shrimp, pasta, anything you can think of.
Wow. So you're gonna add your garlic powder. Go ahead and season it up right there.
Yeah.
And you're going to add some slap your mamas. Then you're going to swish around the French fries before you put them in the oven. And you put them in the oven for the time it says on the back. I had to make sure that they were flat. It says on the bag in a single line. Single line. Anyways, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And that's what is recommended on the back of the French fry bag. Okay, now you want to set it to, how long did I set it for? 29 minutes, yeah. Look at all those chickens.
Damn.
You didn't see what I
seen? Look at all those chickens.
Okay, you guys, you can add whatever type of sauce you want. I tried this sauce. It's a new sauce. I like it. So I had those and regular fried chicken wings. So you gonna whip it.
Real good.
I thought it was whip it real hard.
No way.
Whatever.
Don't pay her no mind, y'all. She like Britney Spears.
No, I do not. Like no damn Britney.
That's too much.
Anyways, y'all, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to see more cooking with T and Neek, please comment in the comment section down below. And we will get more videos out to you guys. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Peace.